South State Bank online banking sign up. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to sign up to South State Bank online, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for southstatebank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of South State Bank. On the top right of your screen, you will see the option for Login. Tap on that and now under Online Banking, you will see the option for Login, ID and Password. But since we want to create a new account, tap on the Enroll in Online Banking option on the bottom of the Login portal. You will now be led to the Online Banking enrollment page. So go ahead and fill in the required details. Start by entering your social security number and then enter your account number. In the account type drop-down, select if your account is checking account, savings account, or loan account and now enter your phone number. Also enter your email address and finally create a login ID for yourself and tap on the continue button. And with this, you will be able to successfully sign up for South State Bank online. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.